Hello there. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the configuration part of DBSync. It is very important because we have to add some fields and section in the page layout of some Salesforce objects. And without doing this, DBSync will not sync the data. So it is important. So first of all, go to Object Manager on Setup page and select Account Object. So click on Page Layout and then select Account Layout. And after selecting Account Layout, you will see a page layout to modify. Now add the section field by drag and drop in the page and rename that section as DBSync. After doing all this, we have a section named DBSync. In DBSync section, we have to add some fields. So let's do that. Here you have to drag 3 fields, QuickBooks ID, QuickBooks error and fax, and drop it in the section named as DBSync. And click save. So the account layout that we have modified is now saved. And now we have to go back to Object Manager and we have to select the product object. After selecting the product object, we have to go to page layout and then we have to select the product layout, and after that you will see a page layout to modify the product object. And here also we have to add a section named as DBSync, and after that we have to add some fields into that section. So let's add DBSync section. Drag and drop some mandatory fields like QuickBooks ID, QuickBooks error, COGS, on hand and QuickBooks item type in the section that we just created named as DBSync, and click on save button to save the page layout. Now let's add the necessary fields in the page layout of opportunity object. So first let's go back to Object Manager and find opportunity object in this. Then click on page layout in the opportunity object and select opportunity layout. After that, again add a new section to the page and rename it as DBSync. After renaming the section, you again have to drag and drop some mandatory fields like QuickBooks ID, QuickBooks error, generate, products count and primary contacts. After drag and drop all these fields in the DBSync section, click on save. Now we have to add the field in the page layout of opportunity product object. So go back to Object Manager, find opportunity product, click on opportunity product, and then you will see page layout. Click on page layout and select opportunity product layout. Add a new section to the page and rename it as DBSync again. In case of opportunity product, we have to drag and drop only one field and it is QuickBooks ID. So drag QuickBooks ID from fields and drop it in the DBSync section and save the page layout. All the page layouts are saved now or modified and your configuration is completed. Now you are good to go for setup.